All right. So we're going to go through how to fill out our social emotional learning journal. So we've gone over why it is important to talk about and do activities that include the social emotional learning side of things. Remember that your social emotional side affects your physical side. So when you are down and depressed or angry and frustrated, your motivation is lower, and that can influence how physically active you are. Also, within your body, when you have those feelings, uh, the negative hormones are being released, so your cortisol levels are increasing, which block things inside your body, like your metabolism will slow down, which means you burn less fat. And then since your cortisol levels are high, your dopamine, the happy hormones, are low. So we want to switch that. We want to make sure we have lower cortisol levels and higher dopamine levels. We want those happy hormones. So we're going to work on some things. So you have this activity, and in it, you're going to choose from this bank right here in the middle. You need to choose a social, choose an emotional, choose a cognitive, remember that's the mental, waking up your brain, and mindfulness. Now, it says which ones you want to focus on this week. What I want you to do is do one from each every day. It can be the same one. It can be the same one. You can write a thank you note to someone every day, okay, in the social, or you can draw every day. Okay, so you can choose the same thing from the column, but I want you to choose 4 things in total to do every day. All right, and you're going to write those here. So where it's folded, you're going to erase this and you're going to type your own. So I will go for a walk every day with someone in my home. Okay, so that's going to be one that I do. I will FaceTime a family member this week. I will make a healthy meal and create a drawing. Okay, so those are going to be some of my goals that I have. Then I want you on a scale of 1 to 5, how do you feel at the beginning of the week? So you're going to use this scale. I'm going to look, the bottom one, very tired, sad, crying, scared. You see the emojis down there? To a 2, you don't have much energy, crabby, grumpy, don't want anyone to be around. Okay, all the way to 3, you're all right. I'm in the middle. All right, I can listen to someone. I'm kind of like Winnie the Pooh. Don't get out of breath easily. 4, got lots of energy. I like to have fun. I'm laughing. I play with those that I can be with. I work sometimes. To a 5, you're excited and wound up and loud and silly. So that is the scale. I would say right now, you know what? I might be at a 2. So I'm going to type 2 right here. Okay. Then as the week goes on, so the day 1 journal entry is for when you've completed the first day. So at the beginning, I didn't have energy. Now that I completed 3 of my tasks, I feel more connected with others. Okay? So I'm going to do that every day. All right? And then at the end of the week, we're going to see where are we at. Okay? On this scale, where are we at? And hopefully we've moved up. And then here you're going to answer these questions. So were you able to reach your goal? Why or why not? What could you have done differently to reach your goals or to set higher goals? what will you continue to do next week? Because we don't just want this to be a 1 week thing. We want to make sure we are getting better and better every day. So you're going to type your answers, and it's going to probably go on to the next page, and that is okay. And then you're going to save this. Okay? You want to save this. Now, it's actually better to save before you even start. Okay? Because you see my autosave is off. So I'm going to go to File, and I'm going to save as, and I'm going to save to my OneDrive. And instead of this saving as Meredith Middle School, I'm going to save it as my name. So you're going to put your first name, last name here. Okay, and you're going to save to the OneDrive. And that way my autosave is on. Then you're going to upload this into the Canvas on the end of the week in the submission portion. So you'll hit submit, upload, find your file, and then hit submit again. All right. If you have any questions, make sure you chat with your teacher. But remember, choose these activities. One from each column. Good luck.